Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'll be unboxing my iPhone 11 Pro Max because my 6S Plus is having problem. The front camera is working but there is no sound. I don't know what happened, and that has been going on for like 2 weeks now. So I was also planning on buying a vlogging camera for our family channel, but when I thought about this 11 Pro Max being also a good camera for vlogging, I decided to just buy the 11 Pro Max because I was also going to buy a new phone and also a vlogging camera. So I'll just use this one for both phone and my vlogging camera as well. We must merely make a start. Wow, this looks so cute, and the color that I picked is gold. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with gold color. The one I was using before is also gold. So this is the phone, and I think this one is instruction. Okay, so it comes with this iPhone symbol. So, and the charger, the earpiece or earphone, Not my favorite type of earphone. Honestly, this is not my type of earphone at all, but I just have to make do with it. So the charger, let's see how long the charger is. Giovanni is at the background making noise. He's always making noise, and he's always interested in being part of my videos. The charger is not long, I think it's just the regular length of iPhone chargers. It's the same old iPhone charger. It's just the head that is different. Ignore the noise. There's construction going on in my building. Yep. So this is what the charger is looking like. I am so excited, guys. So excited. And that is it. That's all that came with the iPhone. So I'm just going to keep these ones back because I'm not using them. Sorry, baby. Sorry. So let's put this one aside. And I also bought a phone case on Amazon to protect my phone because I don't want any stories. Main iPhone. Oh. Savannah.
The light is gonna come. The birds are